this video we're going to talk about series parallel connection. We've done a series connection, we've done parallel connection. We're going to do a series parallel connection today. So you need to put this in. You can see the polarities are the same, so this will become a parallel connection. You put this in and you'll put this in, and this will become a parallel connection. Why do we say that it's a parallel connection? You can see the polarities are the same on here. You can see the polarities are the same on here. So how does it become a series connection now? It only becomes a series connection when you connect this polarity to this, and from this terminal it will be your negative coming out from here and your positive coming out from here. Thank you.